So, good morning everyone. I am Shiela Monincillo and today I will tackle about the human digestive system. Human digestive system consists of the gastrointestinal tract plus the accessory organs of digestion. Digestion involves the breakdown of food into a smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed and assimilated into the body. The food you eat takes an incredible journey through your body from top your mouth to bottom your anus. Along the way, the beneficial parts of your food are absorbed, giving you energy and nutrients. Here are step-by-step accounts of the digestive system workers. So, once mingon tag digestive system, mao daw na siya daw ang responsible sa atong pagkaon nga ginakaon nato para maadto sa atong lawas para maka-take tag energy. So there are 7 the main organs that make up the digestive system. First is the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. So, what is the mouth? Mouth is the beginning of the digestive tract. In fact, digestion starts before you even take a bite. Your saliva glands get active as you see and smell the pasta dish or a warm bread. After you start eating, you chew your food into pieces that are more easily digested. So, muna siya ka ng ato ang usapon. Your saliva mixes with the food to begin to break it down into a form your body can absorb and use. When you swallow, your tongue passes the food into your throat and into your esophagus. So magkaon man jud na once magkaon ta, so mahini-hini nato na siya dugmok sa atong ngipon, and then natay kaning what they call this, da kanang mura siya kanang tubo siya, that is the esophagus. So, esophagus located in your throat near your trachea. The esophagus receives food from your mouth when you swallow. A series of muscular contraction within the esophagus called the peristalsis delivers food to your stomach. So, ang peristalsis daw mo na siya kanang makatabang bitaw para itulak ang atong pagkaon para mas mabutang pa jud kay siya sa ato ang digestive system. Okay, after the esophagus, there is the stomach. The stomach has a G shape. So makabantay ta nga ato ang tiyan, di ba? So makabantay ta sa mga picture nga G shape siya. So, the stomach is a hollow organ or a container that holds up food while it is being mixed with the stomach enzymes. So, mo siya mga kaning stomach nato, syempre mo na siya mga butanganan sa atong kinaon nga which is mo na siya ang mag-deliver padulong sa atong lawas. These enzymes continue the process of breaking down food into a usable form. So, after that, followed by small intestine and large intestine. Small intestine, the muscle of the small intestine mix food with the digestive juices from the pancreas, liver, and intestine, and push the mixture forward for further digestion. The walls of the small intestine absorb water and the digested nutrients into a bloodstream. As a peristalsis is continuous, the waste of product of the digestive system process move into the large intestine. The large intestine waste product from the digestive process includes the undigested parts of food, fluid, and older cells from the lining of your GI tract. The large intestine absorbs water and changes the waste from liquid into stool. Peristalsis helps move the stool into your rectum. So, ang large intestine daw kung saan magaganap ang water absorption. Mo siya marag ting absorb sa mga water nga atong ginainom kasi mo inom man pud siya tubig. Is the rectum. It's a straight 8-inch chamber that connects the colon to the anus. The rectum job is to receive stool from the colon. Let you know that there is stool to be evacuated or pop out and to hold the stool until evacuations happen. So, muna siyang kanang mga butanganan sa atong pagkaon bitaw nga inig mag-hold siya para bitaw dili din nato madirisyo like matigom pa siya. And lastly, the anus. Anus is the last part of the digestive tract. It is a 2-inch long canal consisting of the pelvic floor muscles and the 2 anal sphincters internal and external. So, mo siya ang two sphincters. So, the lining of the upper anus is able to detect or rectal content. It tells you know whether the contestant are liquid, gas, or solid. So that was the seventh structure of our digestive system. So, and the another one is that the function of our digestive system. So what are the function of our digestive system? Is to digest and absorb food and then excrete the waste product with the help of the liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. Each of these organs plays to a specific role in digestive system. So kanisya daw nga kining gibang nabanggit nako is dako po ni siya kanang ambag sa tuwang kuan lawas. Need po jud nato ni. The digestive system breaks down food into a nutrients such as so mo na siya ang katong need nato og kanang need nato nutrients mo na siya ang digestive system break down food into a nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. So these three is the important po ni siya. They can be then absorbed into the proteins. They can be absorbed in the bloodstream, so the body can use the main function of the digestive system, that is the motility, secretion, absorption, and digestion. So what is motility? Motility, food moves through the digestive tract due to a process called the peristalsis. So as ako nabanggit ka gani ang peristalsis, mo na siyang mutabang o mutabang og tulak bitaw, ginatulak ang atong pagkaon padulong sa atong esophagus. So, which is the movement of muscle in the GI tract that moves the food through the digestive system? This involves the breakdown and mixing of ingested nutrients all the way through the elimination of ingested waste from the body. Then the secretion, the second one. Secretion, this is the release of enzymes, hormones, and other substances that help the body digest the food that is eaten. So mo siya ang mutabang pod. Hormones tell the body when to produce digestive juices, signal the brain when you are hungry or full. So mo ni siya ang kaning hormones bitaw moingon na okay, stop na kumukaon, kini na feel na nimo nga busog na ka. And the another one is the digestion. Digestion, your ingested nutrients including proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and water. They are reduced into a molecule small enough to pass through the lining of the gut, and so they can enter the bloodstream. The digestive system breaks down food we consume so the body can use them for energy, growth, and cell repair. Protein breakdown to amino acid. So, ang protein can be breakdown daw sa amino acid. And then, the fats can be breakdown into the glycerol and fatty acids. And the other is can break down to a simple sugar, that is the carbohydrates. And lastly, the absorption. The digested nutrients pass from the gut into the blood so the circulatory system of lymph system can pass them on the rest of the body to use or store. The lymph system absorbs a fatty acid and vitamins. The blood carries simple sugars, amino acid, glycerol, and some vitamins and salt to the liver. The liver stored, processes, and delivers the nutrients to the body when needed. So, how does our digestive system work? So, each part of your digestive system helps to move food and liquid through your GI tract. Break food and liquid into a smaller parts or both. Once food are broken into a smaller enough parts, your body can absorb and move the nutrients to where they are needed. Your large intestine absorb water and the waste product of digestion becomes stool. Nerves and hormones help control the digestive process. So, mo din siya kanamutabang nga, for example, mukaon na ka. Then, si mo syempre, busog na emotian. So, naay ano diha nga, tapukon pa siya din. Once ka nang murag kung kailangan na needs sa imong lawas, kaya pa siya ma-deliver. Which is, ang large intestine is mo po na siya ang kanang absorb water. So, why is digestion important? Ngano importante man ang atong digestion? So, kasi kung wala tay digestion, mo lain man siguro kay no kung mukhaon ta tapos pagkaman mabutang nga itong mga kinaon, di ba? Like, for example, diretsura nato siya maadto sa CR, di ba? Murag dili dapat need po nato og digestion para ang atong lawas na function na energy. So, digestion is important because your body needs nutrients from food you eat and the liquid you drink in order to stay healthy and function properly. So, I said na nga dapat need nato og digestion para ang ato ang mga kinaon atong ininom kanang makatabang siya sa ato ang lawas, like maka-function ta kasi makabantay mga, like for example, gutom kay ta. So once gutom kay ta, like muratag walay kusog bitang magliw-kliw or kay ang ato ang mind dili kay ma-function natong huna-huna pag kanang gutom ka, di ba? Like walay gikaw na imong lawas na uban makuyapan patungod sa kagutom. Then, nutrients include the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Your digestive system breaks down and absorbs nutrients from food and liquids you consume to use for important things like energy, growth, and repairing cells. So, muna ingon nga dapat ang atong digestive system ato din ang alagaan kasi maugunay siya ang kanang tinghatag nato kusog sa atong like sa ato ang mga brain mo siya ang muhatag og kanang energy. So dapat ang atong mga pangkanon dapat mga healthy foods pod. I have list here that the different disease associated with the system. So disorders encompass a variety of disease ranging from mild to severe. So there are these 1, 2, 3, 4. There are the common digestive disorder includes the gastroesophageal reflux disease, cancer, irritable bowel syndrome, lactose intolerance, hiatal hernia. So, accurately diagnosing digestive disorders involves collecting through medical history and conducting a physical examination. Some patients with digestive disorders may need more extensive diagnostic evaluations including endoscopic procedures, lab tests. So napoy the most the most common nga mga symptom of digestive disorder. That is the bleeding, bloating, constipation, diarrhea. Diarrhea is uso jud kay sa ato aron. Diarrhea, heartburn, pain, and vomiting. Digestive disorders affects millions of Americans each other. So, daghan na juday, daghag nagsakit aning digestive system. One po ni siya of the problem. This condition involve digestive tract, which is also known as the gastrointestinal or GI tract. So, as nabanggit na nako ganina, GI tract. The GI tract includes the esophagus, liver, stomach, small and large intestine, gallbladder, and pancreas. So, that was all my report for today. So, review nga ang digestive system mo na siya ang responsable sa atong mga kinaon.